What if I told you that people in the United States are making thousands of dollars every month creating videos without filming themselves, without expensive cameras, and sometimes with AI video creation is one of the fastest growing online opportunities in 2026. Businesses, YouTubers, and brands are paying creators to make videos using AI tools. Method number one, content agency. Local businesses need videos for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube every single day. Method number two, YouTube channels. AI can help create scripts, voiceovers, visuals, and editing, allowing you to scale content faster than ever. Method number three, sell AI video creation as a freelance service. Many clients are willing to pay between $200 and $2,000 per project. The best part? Most AI tools today require little to no technical experience. If you can use a smartphone, you can learn AI video creation. While most people are still thinking about AI, smart creators are already building businesses with it. The opportunity is still early, but it won't stay that way forever. If you want to learn how to create professional AI videos, grow your audience, and build multiple income streams, subscribe to Nextscale Media and start your AI journey today.